Good day to the family I hope to work with. I'd like to introduce myself to you. My name is Meraflor Carpila Pastor. I am 42 years old. I am single mother and one child. I have more than 6 years of experience. I work in Hong Kong for almost 2 years. I care for 71 years old mother of my employers. In UAE for 2 years, I took care newborn baby. In Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, 2 years. I took care of the children ages 1, 4, and 7 years old. In Kuwait, almost 1 year. I care for 81 years old. My main experience is taking care of newborn babies, toddlers. I also do housekeeping and cooking. I am college graduate and I have certificate for defensive driving. I am patient, honest, responsible, and cheerful. I am energetic and love working with children. I am hardworking and can easily adapt to a new environment. I like reading stories, singing songs, and playing educational games with children. I can also prepare healthy meals. I can do cleaning, washing, ironing. I also love pets and I am not afraid of dogs. My hobbies are walking, biking, listening to music, and reading. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope to be part of your family soon. I am excited to care for your children with love, patience, and responsibility. I promise to do my best and serve your family with all my heart.